How's it going? Jared from Yota Xpedition here. Today we're going to take a quick look at our third brake light for the 5th Gen 4Runner, and we're going to go over some of the options that we have. So here in my hand I have the OEM third brake light from the 4Runner, and you can see the lens is clear and we have a white truck, so this kind of blends right in, and we wanted something that was going to stand out a little bit more. So right here we have our solution. We have two options in front of me. First, we have a smoked lens. This is the one that we went with on our 4Runner. And we also have the classic red lens. This is gonna be red all the time, not just when the brake light is lit up, rather than having the clear lens. And then the smoked lens, obviously the LEDs in here are gonna light up red, but when they're off, you're gonna have a really clean black smoked look. Another feature that our third brake light adds to your 4Runner that the OEM doesn't have is the option to hook up a daytime running light on this third brake light. The running light is along the bottom and is much dimmer than the brake light, so you can still tell when the brake light activates, it's much brighter than the running light. Removal of the OEM third brake light and installation of the Yota Xpedition LED brake light is super easy. All it is 2 Phillips head screws, and you can screw the new one right in place. If you're ready to ditch the boring clear lens on your 4Runner's third brake light, head over to YotaXpedition.com, grab one of these and give your 4Runner the unique look that fits your taste.